This is a video that I'm uploading for algorithm reasons. If it goes anywhere beyond that, that's awesome. But anyhow, AI content. How the hell is AI content going to replace somebody like me? Because I know that I'm kind of a relic. I'm outdated. I'm using a camera from 2017. I don't have the latest, greatest technology. I don't even have the latest, greatest backdrop, and I don't do any of the latest, greatest trends. But how the hell is an AI going to replace a guy like me? Well, considering, how the hell is an AI going to pick up this product? It's just a Dollar Tree light bulb. They work pretty good. They last a decent amount of time. They're well worth the money. That off to the side. How would AI replace me? It's an honest to God good question. How the hell is AI going to replace a lot of your favorite content creators? Because I just don't see it happening. I don't see the low end, crappy content that a lot of AI creators do really taking over. I mean, they're going to get screen time. They're going to get a hell of a lot more views than this channel is. I mean, hell, some of them might even be better presented. Not really hard to do. It really isn't. But when it comes down to them saying that AI is the future, AI is the future, I mean, I don't see how it's relevant to me. I mean, could I have an AI write a script for me and me actually use a teleprompter for once so I don't lose my train of thought? Squirrel! But really, I don't see AI replacing me. I could see it helping me a little bit, as I said, with like maybe writing a script and maybe using a teleprompter. I mean, I got a fairly large tablet. I could easily, put a teleprompter program on and frickin' use it for that. In fact, I might here in the future experiment with something, try something new. But I don't know. Just my 2 cents on that. But anyhow, if you liked anything you've seen, go ahead and click on either of these 2 videos. Freaking might be something up your alley. And thank you for watching.